I'm Varsha here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Nursing is not an easy job, is it? We all know that. But our own dreams are as dear to us as anything else. Are you ready to pursue your dreams despite your busy schedule? Then today's video is for you. Any nurse who wants to earn the dream job abroad can now do Prometric exam preparations in spite of their busy schedule. Don't you understand? How is this possible? Then don't be confused. Today's topic is about crash courses for nurses. Today, we are going to discuss about crash courses for nurses who want to migrate to Gulf countries. You can face the exam very confidently by attending just 7 days crash course facilitated by the highly experienced faculty members. Let's see the features of our classes. Our excellent faculty members provide a free demo class to understand what the class is like and how it works. After analyzing each candidate in detail, personalized coaching is provided on the basis of that report. Students requiring special attention are categorized separately. And in such a short span with unlimited online exams, mock tests, recent question discussions, important topic discussions, you will be ready to face the exam. Another important feature is the library reference. Faculty members provide study materials and notes on each topic studied. And they make a graph on the basis of performance of each student, and the class is given on the basis of that performance graph. Our crash course has many features like question practice with 24/7 access, syllabus-based theories, flexible time slots and personalized trainers. Now, our class has a bigger feature than this. Do you know what it is? If you don't pass the exam after this crash course, we refund the entire course fee you paid. So from this, you can understand how standardized our classes are. Anyway, if you want a very good and effective class in a short period of time, then don't waste your time and join our crash course batch as soon as possible. Contact our customer care number immediately to more about the details. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Less time, more things. I'm Varsha signing off. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.